Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, I hope to teach you some very useful English expressions with time. These expressions can be used to describe several situations. I hope you would find one for you. Please keep watching. The first expression, give somebody a hard time. This expression is used to mean to make a situation difficult or very unpleasant for somebody. For example, Tom gave him a hard time. It means Tom made situations very unpleasant or difficult for him. Are you giving someone a hard time? The second expression, in the nick of time. This expression is used to mean only just in time. For example, the rescue came in the nick of time, only just in time, only when I had expected him to arrive, only when I had expected to get something or to get somewhere. I got there in the nick of time, only just in time. For the time being. For the time being. This expression is used to mean just for the present, not for long. Just for the present and not for long. For example, my car is being repaired. For the time being, I will have to use the bus. This means while my car is being repaired, for the time being, just for a short period of time, just for the present and not for long, I will have to use the bus while waiting for other arrangements to be completed or to be made. For the time being, just for the present and not for long. At times. This expression is used to mean sometimes or occasionally. If you still remember your adverbs of frequency, then we're good to go. There are certain tasks, certain activities, certain assignments that you only do at times. It means you sometimes do those things. You occasionally do those things. They are not very frequent. You do them occasionally when an opportunity arises. For example, she's at times polite. It means she's sometimes polite or occasionally she's polite when an opportunity arises. In time. Other synonyms like on time, in time, on time. It used to mean not late. You go to places or you get to places, to work, to school, to the office, right in time or on time. You are not late. We can also use this expression to describe a person's personality to mean a person is punctual. When we say you are punctual with time, it means you have the habit of showing earlier to places. You have the habit of going earlier to places, of being in time, being on time to places. Are you punctual with time? For example, I came back in time for Tom's party. I came back in time for Tom's party. It means I came just right on time, just right in time for Tom's party. I wasn't late for Tom's party. Time after time is used to mean again and again, repeatedly. There might be some task, some activities, some assignment that we do them repeatedly, time after time. Again and again, you do those things or those activities. You can use this time expression to say, I do my homework time after time, or I go to work at 8 time after time, or I do something time after time. It means you are doing those things repeatedly. For example, you've said that you love me time after time, or you've bought KFC for me time after time. Thanks for doing that. About time. Or sometimes you would also hear, it's about time. It's about time is used to mean that something should already have happened. It's about time I start exercising. It's about time I started eating vegetables. It's about time she got a new job. She had been unemployed for some time, and right now we think it's about time she got a new job. And what do you think? I think it's about time she does. At a time. This expression is used to mean on each occasion. You might have also heard of one at a time. I can only eat one apple at a time. I can go with two. So I can only do one thing at a time. That is to shoot video lessons for you guys. At this time, I can't engage into something else other than to do this lesson at a time. One thing at a time. I can only do one thing at a time. I can only eat one apple at a time. What is it you are doing right now? Are you doing it one at a time? It means on each occasion. Take your time. This expression is used to mean to do something without being in a hurry, to do a certain task, activity, or assignment without being so much in a hurry. It means you're taking your time doing that thing, hoping to produce something better at the end. For example, the builders are really taking their time. It means they are taking their time on whatever they are doing to make sure to produce something better, something good, and something of more quality at the end. Are you taking your time doing something, whatever you're doing? Yes, you should. You should take your time. Have the time of your life. This expression is used to mean to enjoy yourself very much. For example, we had the time of our lives at their party. It means we enjoyed ourselves very much. Are you having the time of your life? Yes, you should. If you made it till the end of this lesson, congratulations! I hope you found something for you. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of my future uploads. Again, thanks for watching. I will see you around soon.